All right, really quick. So, about 10 years ago, when I started doing all this crazy stuff, and I had to stop because my wife got pregnant and my son was being born. So, of course, playtime was over. But now that he's a teenager, I can get back into it because I got the fever again, if you will. Well, other than just the magnet motors and pulse motors and window motors and Newman motors, excuse me, that we were making, we were also making hydrogen generators, HHO generators. We made our own. It was really cool. And one of the reasons why I wanted to do that was to have an HHO torch, something that I can do some brazing or soldering with. And so I made my homemade unit and it was okay. Well, when I started doing this other stuff again with the pulse motors, I decided that, yeah, I'm going to build a torch, an HHO torch, but this time I decided to spring for it and get one of my own. This is a flashback arrestor, which everybody needs. Here's a pulse width modulator, which of course you also need, but I decided to get one of these guys, which is really cool. So I don't know how many liters per hour or per minute this thing can produce, but it's nice and it's a lot better than I can make. So I'm definitely going to get back into this. I'll have to set it up first, see how it works. So this is a dry cell. When I started doing it, like I said, 10 plus years ago, they didn't have dry cells. They only had wet cells. So you had to get a container and put your stainless steel mesh or whatever it is you had down inside, running electricity through, break it, separate the oxygen and the hydrogen. But this is a dry cell, so everything happens inside here. Excuse me. And so I have to, I don't know why this is like this. Maybe it goes like this. I don't think so. But it doesn't matter. Excuse me. And of course, I've got the pulse width modulator, which is supposed to help with the way the electricity is being fed into the unit. Now, I've never used one of these, so I'll have to look it up. And then, of course, this is a flashback resistor. So I basically have everything I need. I have the torch over there. I'll break that out and show you guys later on that. But I'm psyched with this. I can't wait to get it going. All right.